Hello there. So this is about what you're gonna get in shipping. It'll look like this. There's gonna be a jumble of wires up in here, so just kinda grab those out of there. Yeah, those are them. Alright, so you're gonna have a fan, and that fan's gonna go right here. Most likely it will come with 4 screws. And what you're gonna want to do is, should be this plug that fits into them. This plug right here. You're going to plug it into the fan, and what you're going to want to have is the air blowing in. So that's an intake here, and this fan goes out. So if you hook it up and it's blowing outwards, you're just going to want to flip the fan the other way. You don't want to switch this. This only goes one way. But flip the fan over and screw it in from the other side, so that this is an intake and that's the outtake. The card you get, it's a 4 GB memory card, and this is a 4 GB memory card. So you're just going to want to put the other one right next to it in this slot here. These little white tabs go outwards, and then you push it in, just like this one is. Make sure it's nice and seated, but don't push too hard. And then clip them in, and that should be good for the RAM. And you're going to want to do the graphics card, which goes right here, last. Otherwise, if you put anything in after it, you're going to have to take the graphics card out, which isn't too difficult, but you might want to avoid it. Now, when you take the graphics card out of its package, you're going to have this rubber boot down here. Take that off. And let's see, it goes in this way. Just like this. And these all fit through these 2 holes here, right in there. So you're going to want to kind of get those ports into the slots there first. Something like that. And that should seat right in there. And then gently just kind of wiggle it back and forth until it's all down. There's a little clip here that'll clip in. And now that's clipped. And right here there is a screw hole, which I'll leave the screw in. And you'll definitely want to put that in so the card doesn't shake all around and bend when it's right side up. Am I getting that? Get in the hole! Get in the hole! Got it. Just so girthy. Is that right? Yeah, kinda. So those are all the connections you're going to be using after the graphics card is hooked in. If it's not hooked in, you'll just hook up to one of these for your monitor. But now that this is in, you can take those little plastic things out, and there's a couple HDMI ports. There's a port like these. Something else, I don't really know. Let's see if I can actually get this kind of tightened. It doesn't seem like it is the right size for it, but it works. So just don't over tighten it. It doesn't get really tight. It doesn't stop. So, alright, the graphics card is installed. Now for the graphic card, the plug you want for that is this one here. It says PCIe, and you're going to use both sections. They kind of interlock, like so. And notice the clip is on this side, and there's a clip on this side of that plug. So that's the way it goes, you know. So it interlocks. Let's see here. Get some better light. There it is. So you're going to have that, the fan, and the RAM card. And once you have those all hooked up, whatever extra wires you have that aren't connected to anything, just kind of put in there. You can use zip ties to tie it in or whatever to any of these slots. Any extra wire you can kind of tidy up however you want. Where's this one? This one's going to be connected to the fan, so you're going to have all kinds of junk in here. Just get them kind of away from this and away from this a little bit, up in there or something, and that should do it. Hopefully everything works. Boop.